Hi, this is Natalie Brito. I'm doing my presentation for my internship. So my internship was my small business, Harbor Team Clubhouse. And this is just a picture that I took during the game. So this was an entrepreneurial internship. I did some custom sports photography, kind of more upscale photography. So we go out and take the pictures for people and then do some design work around it. So I was out there for hours and hours of this heat, cold rain. I live in the Seattle area. These are the business cards I've created. So they're designed so that I can write the name of the coach at the end of the website, and that will take them directly to their team's pictures. I've been working on updating the website and improving that. And so I am including that in here. So how this works is they go in and click on pictures, and then they're taken to choose which sport they're in. If they don't already have their coach's name link to it, then this is the process they take. Then they choose the team that their athlete was on, and then they're brought into this page here, and they are able to scroll down and see all the pictures that I've uploaded. And they can start by ordering a package. So when they order a package, this is the form that I worked on creating, and it shows up at the top the different options they have for that particular package. I also have a page that just displays the product, so if they want to look at the product first, they can go that route. And then this part here is when they order the picture. So I handed out a ton of flyers. I started out by doing a lot of print flyers, but I'm moving towards just emailing these flyers to the coaches. So I can also include the information for when we'll be out there for their team. But I did like to give these out to the coaches at the beginning of the season so they could call and sign up for pictures, and I had 2 coaches do that this year. Mostly I find people like to do it on the fly, so I really try to be non-invasive and just show up and offer it as a service because people don't want to be hassled with it, so I try to keep the hassle as down as possible so I don't interrupt their customer experience. It was really hot out there a few days, and I thought I would do some water bottle labels, which turned out to be really good. We had a lot of good success on that, and it brought people to the table to see what we had to offer. On the table, we also included like some products and flyers so people could take it home, and then after a week, they could go and find their pictures. So these are the baseball cards that I created. This is just a sample that has a fake name on it, and I have permission from this parent to use their picture. So what I have to do after the game is compile all the pictures and do any updates that need to happen, like but mostly I don't do a lot of photoshopping. Mostly I just get them out there because they're good pictures since we're outside in the sun, and then sort them out and just put the best pictures up there, and that kind of takes a lot of time to get them on the website. So we have a few different kinds of orders. So digital files, I just send them the file with a watermark on it. This is the custom magazine cover here, and I allow them to choose their titles if they want to. If not, I just put something generic on there, and we always put the team picture on there, which people like a lot. I do trading cards, posters, and then packages of all those things. So to produce it, I sort out all the orders, I print it, and get any information that I need that I didn't have. Then on the day of delivery, I just take them all into the coaches, and the coaches distribute it. And then if I get some after the season, then I just bill them for shipping. This is one of our packages that we offer here, that I offer. Throughout the season, me and my friend that's a photographer that's helping, we photographed 11 teams, 11 coaches. One mascot was a bulldog, super cute, super fun. Right there's the bulldog. About 154 players, 2 photographers. There's Emily, that's my friend, and that's me there at work with our cameras. And we were on 3 ball fields. And I put some of my favorite pictures up here. This team down here was the Sharks, so I love to have fun with them, taking team pictures and get them to kind of loosen up and have fun. So I try to get them to, make the sign of their mascot or point to their favorite coach or something and just have a lot of fun with it. And I just loved this picture. And also, the catchers are some of my favorite pictures. They're always like so hot and sweaty and, and all of that gear. And they're just so cute. They're fun to photograph. So that is my presentation. That was my internship. Thank you so much for reviewing this, and goodbye.